it really is I think to the extent it's a global event, it is a consequential phenomenon for the Philippines now to be hosting 32 countries, 31 actually, including the 32 including the Philippines. So it is, for 2-3 weeks we will be the center of attention of at least the volleyball world and the sports world globally. So it's a very important event for this country. So it's something that deserves the support of our group and of course other corporates in the Philippines and the Philippine government which stand behind this particular event. So importante yun sa amin din and we'd like to see more of these international events being held in the Philippines. There's no reason why this could not be the equivalent of Singapore's Taylor Swift, right? From a tourism standpoint, because you could draw the spectators, the supporters of the 31 countries that are coming here. So it's a big boost to tourism in this country for us to be better known as a sports hub for the region.